Are you ready for Christmas on the Marsh Walk? Well, let's get this Marsh Walk lit for Christmas. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones.
And we're down here at the Wonderland lights of Murrells Inlet, 2023, right here on the Marsh Walk. And we're gonna start with Santa Claus right here and work our way down.
That's right. This event is lit up every night, Monday through Friday. But if you want to see Santa and his village, Santa Village is only open on the weekends from 5 until 9 o'clock. So make sure you bring those little kiddos so they can see Santa Claus Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 5 to 9.
Let's take a walk, shall we? Does everyone like our outfit?
Yay! Here's another tunnel of lights. And look at that awesome thing right there. This is the Santa Village that we're coming up on. And as you can see, they have jumpy houses, a globe that you can go in there and get your picture made. And they have the petting park here tonight so that you can pet the goats. And I'll take it that y'all will be down here the whole entire, and they will be down here the entire time that the Santa Village runs to December the 23rd. So right before Ho-Ho. Look, aren't they cute?
They are.
So there you have it. Was a look at Santa Village. Let's continue on. That water is still high at that beach box.
Sure is.
Can you get it?
It's a private dock. I should have brought my swim trunks, look.
Yeah, I'd like to see that. And someone is handing out Martians on the Marsh Walk. And Beatbox wants him one.
I am a Martian.
What? Alrighty.
So passing J. Peters, we get up here to
And there's a little jewelry stand over there. So you're looking for something to get for someone special this year. There you go. It's got some beautiful jewelry over there.
And what is this called? The hut, the mullet hut. So obviously you have to have a mullet to be a member.
You didn't have one on the Witch's Walk, so I think you can get anything you want.
I had one in the 80s.
Okay.
It counts. Okay, so this is what is known as creek rats.
That's right. That's fun. And as you can hear, a lot of the people on Wahoo's, Creek Rats, and Dead Dog, they have live bands tonight. And I'm sure the Wicked Tuna does as well.
Live bands almost every weekend, I do believe, on every one of these places, don't they?
And I'm not sure, but the famous Julio and the Saltines are down here playing at the Dead Dog Saloon tonight. So,
And look, there's your Bahama Mama Tiki Bar. Look how
yes,
festive it is tonight.
yes. So I saw him out there decorating this week. He was getting it all ready.
I thought that was a Santa sleigh. It had so many lights
That's awesome.
and stuff on it.
All right, well, let's continue on
Okay.
down the Marsh Walk.
Now, across the bay there, we're heading toward
The Tuna Shack.
Tuna Shack, that's right.
All right.
And the Wicked Tuna.
We're coming up on the Dead Dog right now.
See if we can get a little bird's eye view here.
Look at this. That's something new that they've done, like the little.
Added that around there?
And don't forget, the Santa Crawl is December the 9th from 5 to 9.
I'm all set, thank you.
And look, there's Santa's toy shop right there.
Oh, yeah. Got a big old peppermint. All right.
So on this side of the Dead Dog, you got a big old open area where you can eat
That's
and
right.
dine.
That's right. And they're coming up on the beer garden, and they're lit. There we go.
Go through one more tunnel here,
That's right.
and look at the pied-eyed parrot.
All lit.
Got a Christmas tree on the top.
Catch up with his wife. She wanted to go in front of us.
Got a Christmas tree on the top.
And here's something new. They did advertise that they have new things. They have over here at Neptunes, which used to be Mojo's. They've got a gingerbread house. Isn't that cool?
That's neat.
Yes, it is.
It's another photo op.
Sure is. Look, that is nice and pretty. They've got some more, what tunnels you're calling them, lighted tunnels?
Yeah, some kind of lit tunnel.
Yeah, so that's neat as well. So this is something new over here at the Wicked Tuna. They also have a fun bouncy house, and it also looks like they have like a little wagon that's going to pull the children around. So that's pretty cool. If you're looking for something fun to do with the kids, this would be a great place.
Little train thing.
Yeah.
And coffee.
Oh, yum.
Coffee shop.
So that's good. And here's some beautiful Christmas trees that they've been working on.
Look who's in there. Who is that? Is that a reindeer?
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Oh, that's sweet. So now we're walking down the long bridge, our Marsh Walk, to get to the beautiful Christmas tree at the end of the tunnel.
And this is a bright light.
It is a bright light. I can see Santa.
Okay. So we started way over there. You see Santa in the center?
That's right. And we're all the way over here on the long pier.
We came all the way through that. Look how beautiful that is.
That's gorgeous.
Wow. That's
All right.
almost a thumbnail in itself.
And we're just halfway there.
You can see all the houses out over the marsh. And we're heading to the lit Christmas tree. Oh, look at the tree.
All right. Well, there you have it. That was a look at the Wonderland lights of Murrells Inlet. Hope you enjoyed this video.
Make sure you click that like button if you found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because it's absolutely free.
That's right.
And it helps out the channel.
That's right. And until next time, keep beaching and see you in the next video. I'm out.